This next song is called, hello, how are you? Flushing this plumbing job down the drain. It goes sort of like this. When I was a child, I sang in the hallway. I sang Elvis Presley, I sang Ricky Nelson. When the Beatles came out, I bashed my way to a Ludwig drunk kid. When I was at school, I was flunking and failing. Cared less for learning, thought singing would make me famous. But with my failing grades, they made me take a trade in high school. While waiting for the break, that never came my way. I had to get a job, so a plumber I became. Now I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Yeah, I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Oh, you know I ain't no plumber, I baked it every day. And I would be a lie if I didn't like the pay. Now I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. There I was 19, working my ass off, pulling on the benches, carrying the bathtubs, and hoping to Christ that I don't sketch a pipe on my fingers. And the boss would laugh at me for giving up the OT, going to the city, playing CBGBs and working all night. What plumbing would have paid in an hour was not about the dough, in case you didn't know. It's all about the music, so this day job's gotta go. Now I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Yeah, I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Oh, you know I ain't no plumber, I baked it every day. And I would be a lie if I didn't like the pay. Now I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. My life would be so empty if I didn't play the stage. And I feel like such a loser doing plumbing for my pay. Hey, hey. Flushing this plumber job down the drain. I spend my plumbing money chasing after my dream. Many tried to break it, but it's deep inside of me. Oh, 43 long years of working at when I'm not, plumbing in the daytime, playing music all night, then coming home late and getting up for work early in the morning. By a twist of fate, started working for the city, got to the union, gave me more time for my music, and the years they flew by, and the dream stayed alive as I got older. I never got that break, but you know it's okay. I got myself a gift, and the music I would play. So I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Yeah, I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Christ knows I ain't no plumber, I baked it every day. And I would be a lie if I didn't like the pay. Now I'm flushing plumber job down the drain. Yeah, I'm flushing this plumber job down the drain. Oh, flushing this plumbing job down the drain.
Thank you so much.